In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to install Java on Windows 11 and verify that it's installed correctly. So, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open any web browser. Here, search for Java download and press enter. Go to the official Oracle Java download page. Avoid downloading Java from unofficial websites, as they may provide outdated or modified installers. I will also add direct link of this website in description. Once you're on the Oracle website, scroll down and you will see Java version. Select JDK26, which is latest. After that, choose Windows as operating system. Finally, choose the Windows installer and click on its link. And the setup file will start downloading. Wait for it to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer. If Windows displays a user account control prompt asking for permission, click Yes. The Java setup wizard will now open. Click Next to continue. You can leave the default installation location unless you have a specific reason to change it. Click Next again, and the installer will begin copying the necessary files. This process usually takes less than a minute. Once the installation is complete, click Close to exit the setup wizard. Now let's verify that everything was installed correctly. Open the Start menu, type CMD, and launch it. In the command prompt window, type Java -- version, then press enter. If Java was installed successfully, you'll see the installed Java version displayed on your screen. This confirms that the Java runtime is working correctly. And that's it. As you can see, installing Java on Windows 11 is actually very simple.